like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to a music video straight out of Meghalaya from the Garo hills called Babie Jumang, and the artist in here is Rabie, and it is produced by Ngambu Sangma. So I have my friend Jofin with me. He is from Kerala. We are gonna react to it together without wasting any time. Without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in, and enjoy the ride. And check out what our brother Rabie has for us on the table. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support. And also do follow us on Instagram. You know, we follow back, and our Instagram link will be in the description. So without wasting any time,
yeah,
let's just
go
jump right into the video. Let's get it. Hey, wait. Okay.
Yeah,
Babie Jumang.
Babie Jumang. Paano ba nakagata nakaway ng kode? Wayadwa gandang chindang masi.
By the way, we have English subtitle.
Yes.
So we are gonna see the subtitle also.
Yes.
And he's a professional video editor. So you just focus on the videography
Yeah.
also. Okay, just let me know how you feel about the videography and stuff.
Yeah.
So let's begin again.
Baby, baby, Babie Jumang. Paano ba nakagata nakaway
Nice
ng
shoe.
kode? Wayadwa gandang chindang masiyang ng kode. Jumangan ma agutang ma oimichik na ade nang konuke masijanjo gisikon anade saniyan ng ingin demechi dakman na babani namchi ongode na matsimang nide kananangin konak nari samachi saniyan ng ingin demechi dakman na babani namchi ongode na matsimang nide kananangin konak nari samachi.
Girls are really pretty, right, bro?
Yeah, and mostly I like that bubble making machine. This bubbles.
Okay.
This
And-
story. 90s story, I think.
90s to
Yeah. Yes, bubbles. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
He has another song called Ripengni Burisa. That is also very popular. It has millions of views.
Oh.
So let's continue again.
Kin konang nari samachi yedi jumang sa gutang jasa pipi ko chanchi inakasa slakina ade bamuni no masabuki mange palida kasa jumang sa gutang.
He said, girl is so pretty. Where are you from? Are you a Nepali girl?
Okay.
Jasa pipi ko chanchi inakasa slakina ade bamuni no
Fair skin
masabuki
like a
mange
Nepali girl.
palida kasa. Ayaw mix ng Monday tanang na ayaw dakli ng mukhang di
See, bro, they are using this one, right? And in the cloth also was there. That in the cloth also, the picture was there.
Yes.
This bubble stuff, this fan, no?
Yeah.
Small fan, mini fan.
Winokin kono ang nipiyo bitaka padi so
That's fun. Just yes.
Thar, bro, Thar.
Mahel.
Really, like the color, it's so splendid, right?
Yes.
The vehicle. ML is Meghalaya registration.
Oh, okay.
Piyo bitaka padi so na nang nikniyaro kutolde tama mandewa ma nang bimang kong kiyang katong kama slatama ang niyong naman ginma tatsi diyong jaman narasama nagtingong bayan ng mangsa ang katong ko biyata nagkari natin may na ang kumuni balata sumarabiya bibachiyan ang kukasang napata bimang gata jumang gata ang katong ko salata kagang smata kuwachiyan ang gisa ko no mata toja baby ang istabati na ang silbata bimang mandi ng bata suwe managpata gacak 자꾸 지치엔 난 곱하고 잤다 가슴을 이었다가 약해 너무 나한데 야복인 적 낳고 늦게 판티나 불러본디 막한 기상 근니 말리니 불러도 딱 좋고 디 가사 납상인 적 담아 앙반낙 난다 오디 리야 춤이 막항 자르기는 않고 기상 나안 앙니 나 막항 웃다보가 등탕 가사를 헐탕탕
Naughty boy.
만나탕 소원받은 게 내 만나탕 또 baby 여보나 낭니 스랑스랑 등탕나 아요 미치고 네 비만데 차랑나 아요 덕분에 네 묵헌디 높긴 건 아니 피어 그차 끝바디 소음나 cry 낭니 그니야로 kuchulde Damit wangnya belum wana singan tak ngap maya Gunda baltumi asa ku sama naskaya Ndak aku mat injak manuri kecian isupaya Oh tal jagore ma apa sana nangaya Mai korak ina simangan ndak aku maya Lady killer playboy salap kore manaya Aga nora na simang pataka kaya Musarang babajurang bagi sasani yung ngaya Nama ko mat naskamday Nang gisang ko Rung chalap bo Nang katong ko Namama namjama base chingbo Second hand ng ode watang laybo Kena Tom nombo Ang aga na ko masirpo Mangsa ko agan din kena chapo First hand ng usa joldo ratsa kaybo Whoa
Hey.
Yeah Babie Jumang wala tadi wata cho baby wala dong ago sarang na kinjago ikazong na me atamori post nang ko dilat na nagari nung jara ang manjo post no chirio ba man bajaw gari yung get lost nang ko pus mo di akan chapo dong jan nang odos uno baby ra sa ode ka go nang pako ano saga na ko kna chapo baby ka hana bin kopchi 똑같이 남은 상가 중자 어리 속지 웅이로 나 바보다 baby yung nakaji umat kin ba nang kon lai rani makoji
Make you like Rani Mukherjee.
baby yung nakaji umat kin ba nang kon lai rani makoji
Make you my life's Rani
Rani
Mukherjee.
Mukherjee.
You know Rani Mukherjee, right?
Yeah, I know.
Popular.
Yeah.
baby yung
Bollywood
atura na
actress.
ang kuras kumari ji panza feni kusuk kita are oi
Ay,
paji
Paji. Oh, Paji, Punjabi style.
baby ko beam figures lako may nanid katay na baby kung ngay mo ang baby
New kind of style. That's what I showed you.
Baby Jumang mamamang na binasimang Nuksinga agad tada umangmang Riba jokpa chinin mimang Jumang Pantiwang na mamang joknang limuni bimang Baby Jumang mamamang na binasimang Nuksinga agad tada
Naughty boys.
That guy. That boy. That bad boy. I like it, bro.
limuni bimang Baby Jumang mamamang na binasimang Nuksinga agad tada umangmang Riba jokpa chinin mimang Jumang Pantiwang na mamang joknang limuni bimang
Oh, happy ending.
It's did.
Awesome.
Awesome. Good.
Hey, that was a good one. Directed by Tony M. Sangma, produced by Ngambu Sangma, and lyrics by Rabie Jumang, the singer. So, bro, tell me your opinion on this music video.
Okay, first time directed by Tony M. Sangma.
Mm-hmm.
Super, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Was every shot, every frame, I like very much.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. And the editors, cameraman, that editing, color grading also super, bro.
Uh-huh.
I don't have any words. I don't know how to say about this. Super. Anyway.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
How do you
that's
feel
awesome.
this song, bro? Actually.
Me,
Yeah.
I really like it, like the melody. I don't know much about the technical stuff, but definitely this song is really good. Like he was trying to lure the girl to get the girl, and in the end he really got the girl, and he was saying good stuff. Like I will do this for you and all this. I really like that one. And yeah, man, it was really an amazing music video. We really liked it. Shout out to RC Rabie and the whole team, Ngambu Sangma, Tony M. Sangma, and all those who have worked in the music video. Shout out to you all. And also the girls were really beautiful. They acted very well, very smart. And of course, the singer is also handsome.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah, man, shout out to the whole team, and a special shout out to each and everyone who have come to watch this reaction. If you haven't watched the original music video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. And yeah, man, that's all, right?
Yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So bye. Take care. Tata.